Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by reducing the immediate load. Close unused tabs so memory frees up and Chrome can stabilize. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S to spot processes hogging RAM or CPU and end those tasks. Once done, go to Chrome, / extensions and disable non-essential extensions. Extensions run in background and slow page loads. Restart the browser to apply changes. This first sweep often yields a big speed improvement because it stops runaway tabs and background add-ons from stealing resources. Next, clear browsing data to remove corrupted cache and stale cookies that delay rendering. Pick the last 7 to 30 days, include cached images and files, then clear. Make sure Chrome is updated. Updates fix performance bugs. Enable hardware acceleration in settings so your GPU helps rendering, but if issues persist, toggle it off to test. Disable preloading or prefetching to reduce background network use, and reset any Chrome / flags you changed. Experimental flags can degrade speed if misconfigured. For final steps, scan your system for malware or unwanted software because infections often slow Chrome even when settings look fine. Use Chrome Cleanup or a reputable antivirus. If problems continue, create a fresh Chrome user profile to rule out corrupted profile data and test performance. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Chrome or try a different browser to isolate the issue. If nothing helps, troubleshooting tip: boot into a clean OS profile or safe mode to confirm whether system software is the bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.